In this video, we're going to solve system of equation involving three variables. Here's the given problem. Our goal is to solve for x, y, and z. I'm using this graphic organizer created by myself, and you can also find this on my TPT store, which is at MatTech Online, which is right here at the bottom as well. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Our first step is for us to pick two equations and eliminate one variable. So I'm going to eliminate z just because it looks a little more promising. So I'll start by doing equations 1 and 3. 1 and 3 because I don't need to change the sign or anything. I just need to rewrite them and add them up to eliminate the variable z. 2x plus y minus z equals 9. I rewrite equation 3, 5x plus 7y plus z equals 4. I'm going to add them vertically, and now I get 7x plus ay equals 13. I'm going to label this equation 4. It says label the equations 4 and 5 and place them here. So I'm going to rewrite it 7x plus ay equals 13. Step number 2 says pick another set of equations and eliminate the same variable. The same variable or variable that we picked was z. So now let's go ahead and pick 1 and 2. Yeah, let's do 1 and 2. We can also pick 2 and 3, but I will do 1 and 2. In this case, we will multiply the top equation by 2 so that we can eliminate the z's. Okay, so eliminate the same variable. And let's do that right now. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2. I'll rewrite equation 2 by multiplying it by 2. 2 times 2 is 4x, 2 times y is 2y, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2z, 2 times 9 is 18. Equation 2 is going to be rewritten. And then I'm going to add them vertically. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. This cancels out. 18 minus 17 is 1. I will call this equation 5, and I will rewrite it here. 3x plus ay equals 1. I'm starting to like this because now I can see the y's here that I can eliminate those variables. So all I need is multiply. This becomes a system of equation with two variables now. You have x and y. So we're going to multiply the top equation. Let's do the bottom equation by negative 1. I'll rewrite 7x plus ay equals 13. This will be minus 3x minus ay equals to minus 1. 7 minus 3 is 4x. This cancels out. That was our goal, to eliminate the y so we can solve for x. And then 13 minus 1 is 12. I'm starting to like this because it's going to be a whole number. I have 3 and I can put my answer right here. Okay, so 3 is my answer. I think I should redo this. X equals 3. I think that's better now. All right, so now let's go ahead and do let's do step 5. So it says substitute the value you found in step 4 into equations 4 or 5. You get to pick where you're going to plug it in. I will plug it in. I'll plug it in 5. So equation 5 is 3x plus ay equals 1. And now let's do the substitution. X is 3, so 3 times 3 plus ay equals 1. That's 9 plus ay equals 1. Minus 9 minus 9. And it looks like that's going to be a y equals negative 8. So a y equals negative 8. And I'm starting to like this because it looks like it's going to be a whole number. So y equals to negative 1. There it is. It's an integer. Negative 1. So now we can put negative 1 right here. We're almost done. I like this. Don't forget to get this handout or this graphic organizer to help you do this question at my TPT store, which is MathTech Online. All right, we got this. We're almost there. Substitute the values found in step 4 and 5 into the original equation. So now this x and y we need to be plugged in into equations 1, 2, or 3. You can't put it on 4 or 5. You need to put it on one of the originals. So I think we should plug it in on the first one. So I will pick I'll pick one. So equation 1, 2 times x plus y minus z equals to 9. And you can plug it in one time, but I would like to show the steps. 2 times 3 minus 1 minus z equals 9. Combine like terms here. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So I should have 5 minus z equals 9. And then I can do minus 5 on both sides. And then I have minus z equals to 9 minus 5 is 4. Starting to like this. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. And then z equals to negative 4. So then this is x, y, and z. And that's how you do it. And you can test it back to see if it works, but it does. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to follow for more at MathTech Online. See you in the next video.